Hey guys, in this video we will see what are the different kinds of arguments which we can give to a function in Python. So the first is position, the second kind of argument is keyword, the third is default, and the fourth is variable length. So let's talk about the first one, which is position. So sometime what happened that when we are writing a code, we write different functions and we pass different arguments in that. But when we are passing different arguments, it is necessary for us to make sure that the arguments which we are giving in a correct manner. Okay, we are maintaining the order. For example, I am taking an example. Let's see, I am giving a variable called name. Okay, and the name of a person can be anything. So let me give it xxx. Okay, and the name of the age of a person, let's say it is 30. Okay, now I want to call one function which we can print these two. So I will call as show result. So this is a function which we can print this name and age, and I am passing name and age in that. So right now there is no function written, so it gives me an error and it says create function show result. If I click on that, you can see that it has given a def here. Okay, so if I want, I can write these arguments below this also. Okay, so that will be fine. So let me just take this up. So this is my function and this is my program, my main program. Okay, so what will happen here? So in this I will print something like print name equal to, and here I will pass name. Okay, and in the second one I will print the age equal to comma age. So if I run this, okay, so what I will see, the results is name equal to xxx and age equal to 30. So that is okay. Okay, but just see here, when I am calling the show results, I have to make sure I am first passing the name and then passing the age to get this desired results. If I am doing the vice versa, I am typing age comma name. Okay, maybe I am not sure which one to give first. So in that case, I can give age first. And if I run that, you will see that now the results are not expected. I am getting name equal to 30 and age equal to xxx, which is not correct. So that is the reason this is called a position argument, where I have to make sure the position of the argument is correct as per the arguments which are in the function itself. Okay, so I need to give name and age. Okay, so this was the position one. Now let's talk about the second one, keyword. In a keyword type of argument, I don't have to remember the position. Okay, it's not necessary I should give the name first. I can give the age also first, but I need to give this. See, age equal to, it giving me help here. It says that I can give age equal to as a keyword, and I can give anything here. Okay, so I can give here as age because I am passing this age. Let me make it as ag so that it's better to understand. Okay, and here I can give nm. Okay, so here I am giving age equal to ag because age equal to is the keyword which I have taken from this function. And if I give name equal to nm, okay, so here name equal to is a keyword which is from the actual function, and here nm is a variable. So see, right now I am again doing a vice versa. So I am giving age first and then I am giving a name, and here it was name first, then also it will work. Why? Because I have referenced it with the keyword, and if I run this, it should give me an expected result as name equal to xxx and age equal to 30. So that's the beauty of this keyword driven. Now let's talk about the default. Okay, let's assume that I am only giving a name here. Okay, I am just giving ag. I am not giving any kind of a age, right? So I'm not passing the age here, right? So if I run that, what will happen? It will give me an error that I am missing one argument which is expected. But what I can do, because see, user can give anything. It may possible user just give a name, is not giving an age. right? Because these inputs are coming from the user. Okay, so in that kind of scenario, what happened, I can give a default value of the age. Maybe I can give a default value as 29 of the age. If I am not passing any argument here, so it will print this default value. So let me run that. So you will see that now age is coming 29, which is the default value, right? Now let's talk about the variable length. Okay, now let me remove that. Okay, let me remove the entire example. So for variable length, let me create another example. So I have a function, assume its name is show results. Okay, and in that it show me a name and it show me a marks. Okay, and here I will say print name and then print marks. Okay, very simple example. And here I am calling show results and I am giving name equal to xxx and marks I am giving as 100. Okay, so if I run this, it will give me xxx 100. Okay, but if I give something like this, okay, this is 100, but let's say I have marks of 3 subjects, so I am giving 100, then 90, then 80. I am passing actually 4 arguments, but this function is receiving only 2 arguments. So if I run this, it will give me an error. Obviously it should give me, because I am not passing just 2, I am passing 4 arguments here. So what I need to make, I need to make marks as a variable length. So for that I need to give star here. So as soon as give a star before marks, this marks will become a tuple, and if I print that, it will give me this xxx and 100, 90, 80 as a tuple. Okay, so this is the way we can convert any variable into the variable length argument. Okay, now if I want to print this individually, nothing, I just need to remove this and I need to create a for loop. So I will say for I in marks. Okay, so let me just give here, it should come like this, and then I can give print I. Okay, and my for loop ends, and if I run this, it will give me something like this. So it would be all the marks and name. If I want to give name before for loop, I can give that too, and let me run that. Now you can see name is coming, all the marks are coming, and I can give any number if I want here. There's no like restriction I should give only 2. I can give anything here. It will give me all, it will print all the numbers, right? And if there's only 1 marks, I can give that also. It can print that too. Okay, so now this has become a variable length, so it can work from 1 to any number of variables which I give into that. So these were the 4 types of arguments which we can give. The first was position, the second was keyword, third was default, and the last one was variable length. Alright, so I hope that the type of arguments is clear to you now. So I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.